Good afternoon, folks. We're working on a Stihl FC90 HEDGER with an H. Trigger broken. When you go to put these apart, these springs go flying off, and figured it might would help somebody figure out where it goes. So when you're taking these apart, you're going to see all these extra screws you don't want to take out. Just take out that, and that. There's just 4. These other 2 are clamps to hold the other half of the trigger assembly on. So these, when you put this back on, you want to go one particular way, so it doesn't want to go that way. Go that way. And then it goes right on. Take your finger, push in this spring, if you can see it, goes like this. And you want to slip it right behind that Z-bend. And then slide it on the shaft. Lift this up with your thumb. And then push it down like that. Okay? Now, let's make sure that this works. That works correctly. Keep your thumb there in case it wants to pop off. Anyhow, that's about all it is to it. There's one more little thing here. This assembly slides out. You'll notice there are some grooves here. And I'm going to pull the camera down where you can see a little closer. If I can look behind here. See these little grooves? There are also grooves in that trench where it goes. And it slides up in there. What that's for is it's adjustable to get slack out of the cable. So when you pull this back, get your slack out of the cable, and check to make sure that your throttle is going all the way closed. With it going all the way closed, and then that your trigger is working like that. Okay. All right, and then all we do, with that up there correctly, I'm going to recheck this because I was trying to do that with one hand. Just to get the slack out. Slip that back in place. Make sure your spring is down. And then we're going to try and slip this cover on. Maybe. Snaps right back in place. And 4 screws. This is one of the things on a Stihl that is not a T27. Let's see. Is it a T25? Why, no, it's not. Is it a T20? Why, yes, it is. We appreciate all of our subscribers. Appreciate everybody watching. I'd appreciate a good thumbs up. If you like this video, click that subscribe button and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.